Hello, welcome back. I'll show you how you can create this transparent text effect in Photoshop, where there will be a text located behind this cup of coffee in this picture, and then within the area covered by the cup of coffee there will be this outlined version of the text. So to do this, hold the Ctrl and the J key on your keyboard to duplicate the image, and then double click on the background and then click on OK. Afterwards, hold the left click button, head over to Object Selection Tool, go to Layer 1 and then select this coffee. And then click on this Layer Mask. Afterwards, create a text. For example, you want to type coffee. You can now adjust the size of your text. Once you're done, centerize the text. Just like this, for example. This will do. And then right click on the text layer and then click on Convert to Smart Object, just like this. And then duplicate the text by holding the Ctrl and the J keys on your keyboard. And then afterwards, double click on it. And then decrease the fill opacity to 0 so that there's no fill. And then click on the stroke. Set the position to inside and then change the color to white. And then put this text behind this so that it looks like this. So see that? The outline text is located within the area of the cup of coffee, while the one with the fill is located outside of the coffee cup. And then select these two objects and then click on this one, the chain, to link the layers. And then if we move it, ooh, fancy, now you have created this transparent text effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. It will do for your, magazine covers or your artworks, advertisements, and so on. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can put this text anywhere, but for me, it's good day. Ciao!